Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks. You can see Wyatt here. I think all you can see is Zena's bomb. I think you'll see more of her as we get into this video. I'm Laura if you're new to my channel. So happy you're here. Hit that subscribe, hang out with us. We try to do shopping hauls, unboxings, try-ons, outfit of the day, all kinds of fun stuff. So do please hang out with us. What do I have for you today? All right, so this one was a subscriber suggestion. So I love whenever you guys offer me up suggestions. I always check them out. I fit in as many as I can. I mean, maybe you just haven't seen it yet because I haven't got to it. I have a express haul for you today. This is all came from online, so yes, it's in this nice box. And one of you had asked me about the new denim that Express had called Flex. And it's F-L-E-X and then a capital X after that, Flex. And their denim, this style that they are trying called Flex, flexes across sizes. So I think like size, does it go by 1, 2, 3, I think? Fits multiple sizes. So we're gonna try this out and see if it works. I decided to come outside today, but of course it's windy and there's some outside noises, but hopefully it'll be okay and we can stay outside since it is such a beautiful day today. All right, so I'm gonna see if it tells me my size. It does not on here, just my prices. Okay, we'll talk about it once I get in here. I do have some other fun things I found while, of course, I was shopping. I did have a coupon code, so we will go over that. All right, so, yep, I have 6 items I'm going to share with you today, all from Express. All right, first up, I have a blouse. I thought this was so pretty, and this yellow is so in right now. I decided I needed to try something in it because I feel like the items that I've been getting in my boxes in this color haven't been working for me, so we're going to try again. This one is called the Printed Smocked Flutter Sleeve Top. The regular price is $60. I got it for $43.14. You can see all this smocking all through the body of it with this really pretty flutter sleeve. Is that not gorgeous? All right, that's the first item. And I'm just pulling them out in the order in which they're sitting in this box. All right, so next up, I think is one of these Flex. Yep, so here's what the tag looks like. It's called Flex Jeans. And it says fits up to 3 sizes all in one pair. The regular price, $88, and I paid $47.44. These are called the high-waisted Flex Ripped Raw Hem Cropped Skinny Jean. So you can see they do have some distressing. They have the raw hem as it said. This one's in a lighter wash, which you know I have been liking so much lately. Here's what it looks like. See here, you do have lots of stretch. Should be interesting to see how this goes. I thought this would be a cute outfit as well. All right, then I also grabbed a gray pair. This is the other Flex style. What did I do with my scissors? No idea. These do not have any stretching. Loving the light gray for in the spring, summer. Can't wait to see what these look like on, right? 3 sizes they flex. So these are called the high-waisted Flex Gray Crop Skinny Jean, $47.44. The regular price was $88. Okay. Next up, they had some really great joggers. You guys know I love joggers all year round. I love to wear them. I think they're so comfortable. They're great for work or for relaxation. So I decided to try these out because they also were at a very good price. $80 is the regular price, but we always buy on sale, right? Also in a gray wash. This is a very nice light gray, very soft. Has the regular jogger bottom, pockets in, whoops, hit the camera with the joggers. Pockets in the back, pockets in the front. These are called the super high waist knit elastic waist jogger. And these are the gray, $43.13. I also got a light wash pair because I had kept a pair in my trend set that were super expensive. So I wanted to show you guys an alternative pair that wouldn't be so pricey. So that would be these. These come in a very light wash as well. But since I had a light wash pair, I didn't get that. I got the gray, and I bought these instead that were totally different. Check these out. These are in the paper bag waist style, but they're a jogger. What do you think of that? Very light wash. Like I said, paper bag waist, has the belt loops, pockets in the back, and then that jogger bottom. Regular price on these, $88 again, and I paid $47.44. All right, and my last item, you might remember this. I shared this in an express haul that I did, I think back in April or May. Uh-oh, but Wyatt sees a bug. And I liked it so much, I got it in white. So I picked up the blue one because the price was so amazing at $9.41. The regular price was $30, but I picked up this pale blue. Love this little tank top with that little bit of elastic gathering in the front. It looks really pretty on. I love the white one, so I grabbed this light pale blue. And that is all of my items. We are going to try these on. Hopefully the wind is going to be in our favor. I'll be right back. Okay, so first up is the FlexX Denim in the light wash and this pretty Flutter sleeve Smocked top. All right. The FlexX Denim, let's talk about these. These are a crop fit. They do have some distressing here at the knee. They are incredibly stretchy, like lots and lots of stretch, but they still feel fitted, so they don't feel like they're going to fall off of you. I did do some bends. They don't come down low, so you don't have to worry about that because they are a high rise. They do flex 3 sizes. I have on the small. I believe the small was 2, 4, and 6, if I'm not mistaken. And then they had a extra small, which was 0, 00, and then it goes up from there. These are very comfortable as far as stretch and fit, so I have no complaints with them. This is a higher rise, so they are coming up to the top of my belly button. I think I'll have to wear them for a little bit to be sure they would be okay, since they do that flexing across sizes. But I think they're good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving this top. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see this. All this fun smocking all the way around. Luckily the neckline is low enough for me, and this flutter sleeve is just enough to just be so feminine and pretty and really just make an outfit. Really, it's such a nice little statement too. I know I'm kind of stuck in the wind. Hopefully you guys are picking up on that. Very pretty. I think it'd be good for just about anything. You can wear it to work, you can wear it casual, you could even wear this with a skirt, dress it up, be casual, so many things. The distressing in these is nice because it's not too much, just enough to give it that little bit of a worn look. All right, we'll do another look. Okay, so I swapped out the pants for the joggers. Check these out. So they have the paper bag waist. Again, incredibly comfortable. Room in the leg, which I love. Nothing is fitted, but there is lots of stretch. They do have the elastic bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that. They feel really nice on and make for a great silhouette. They are high rise, obviously because of the paper bag waist. I left this shirt on since I didn't have any others because the tank is kind of going to be wider at the bottom also. I do think this would be great with just a simple tight fitted tank or tee. Super cute. But I do really like this. The lighter weight makes for a nice summer look, but you could also wear these all year round in my opinion. Here's a little bit closer so you can see this detail. Love the paper bag. I want you to see their stretch. Like there's nothing in here. And these are not the flex. This is my size. I purchased the 2 regular, which is my normal size. I'm really loving this blouse. This is such a cute little blouse, isn't it? There's actually little flecks of pink in here and white. All right, we'll keep going. Okay, so now I have on the other flex pair of denim. This is in the light gray. These fit fabulous. They are a little bit of a crop. These are called, did they say? No. So again, I got the small regular. These have no distressing, so if you can wear denim to work, these would be a great alternative. I love the pairing with this light blue tank. I think this makes for such a great outfit. I really, really like it. I love the cinching here in the middle. Otherwise, it's just regular. But I think it makes for a really great silhouette. Creates that waist for you. You don't have to do a front tuck or anything. It just looks really pretty as is. The denim fits really, really well. Again, nice stretch. Fit is really good. So, yeah, I like both of these. This tank does come in other colors. As I said, I have it in white and then this light blue. I think there's a lilac and there might be a few other colors as well. All right, and I think I have one more pair of joggers to try for you. Last item is the gray joggers. All right, so these have some great comfy pockets in the front, pockets in the back. Again, that same loose style that we're in the denim version. Love this light dove gray. So pretty. I think you can wear them all season around, but really nice in the summer. Basically, the last outfit in this one transitioned really well into fall, which is adding a jacket. But all the pieces I think you can really wear all year round. These are so comfy. They do have a tie here. If I was going to wear a shirt out like this, I would probably take this little tie and fold it in so as not to create that little bit of bulge. Whenever you have something sticking out, that flattens it out a bit. But I generally do that whenever I have this type of situation. But I think these joggers would be cute with a front tuck or a tucked in blouse or tee or tank. And you could just add a denim jacket if you have a really cute look. Here's a closer look at the jogger. Here's that elastic waist. So comfy. And these are not tight in my leg at all. You can see I have lots of room. And these are the 2 regular, which is my normal size. Just an elevated, casual look. All right, that's all my pieces. What did you all think? I actually think that I'm liking everything. I'm not leaning towards returning anything, but I do want to give that flex denim a little bit of a try and wear them around the house first and see if they relax, stretch out, or see what happens. Because I do think they're interesting in the fact that they do flex over sizes. If you guys have tried them before, please do comment down below and let me know. Would love to know how they wear, since this is my first time giving them a try. But loving the yellow blouse. I thought that was so pretty on. Love these tanks as well, and I think all of the denim is just a fun variety at a great price. The coupons that I use are just the typical ones for having the express card. So if you spend $200, I think you get 75 off, and I think that's what I did. So So please do watch out for the coupons if you want to give any of these a try. I will list all the items down below, put links to everything in case you want to check any of them out. And thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do hit that like before you go. Hit subscribe, hang out with us. And until next time, bye everybody.